From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, February 16th, 2022. Downgraded to a level 3. That's what the CDC travel warning now says about cruising after elevating it to a level 4 back in late December. On Monday, the agency downgraded its warning from a level 4 avoid cruising to a level 3. In the update, the CDC said getting vaccinated is still the best way to protect yourself from severe disease, slow the spread of COVID-19, and reduce the number of new variants. In response to lowering the travel warning, the Cruise Line International Association said this is a step in the right direction. Carnival Cruise Line is kicking off the first of 17 50th birthday cruises later this week, starting with a February 20th 2-week Hawaii sailing on Carnival Miracle. On this voyage, Miracle and Carnival Radiance will meet up outside Ensenada. Most of the themed Sailabration cruises will depart on the week of March 5th, though. These special voyages will take place on the West Coast and in the Caribbean and feature special events, birthday-themed drinks, including birthday beer, looks cool, merch, and throwback menu items in the main dining room. Ship meetups will take place at sea on March 5th and 11th on the West Coast and March 7th and 9th in the Caribbean and the Bahamas. Carnival's official 50th birthday is March 11th, dating back to 1972. And finally, 70s rock band KISS is gearing up for its final cruise as the KISS Kruise 11 is set to sail one last time this fall from LA. The 5-night KISS Kruise 11 will sail on Norwegian Jewel on October 29th, visiting Cabo and Ensenada before wrapping up on November 3rd. Fans on board will experience multiple KISS concerts, activities with the bands, and performances by supporting artists. Details of this voyage are outlined at cruiseradio.net. And cruise line stocks were up on Tuesday. Carnival Corporation 6.7%, 22.78. Royal Caribbean up 4.3, 86.27. And Norwegian up 6.6, 22.55. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.